I'm recording. You hold the just.
Okay, okay.
Yeah?
Ah, c'est bon, c'est bon.
No problem.
No
Thank
problem.
you. God bless you. Okay? God bless you.
Okay.
Hold it. Don't touch here. It's a
Okay.
recording. You see? It's recording. You just come here. I will speak.
Recording?
Yes, it's recording.
Who recording? Ah, ici?
Yes, ici ça enregistre déjà.
Ah,
Donc,
automatique?
Oui, c'est
Ah,
automatique.
ok, ok, d'accord.
J'ai une citrouille. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Professor Nkounkou, the first Doctor of Philosophy in International Petroleum, Minerals and Energy, and the Walura Bachita, international diplomat of the United Nations and elected Secretary General of the United Nations, Unga 75. So you can see the Tram here. It's Unga 75. Okay. We are not fighting for Tram, but we are grateful for those elected us as Secretary General in Unga 75. Okay, we are Secretary General, but we are grateful for this Tram that have been made to confirm that we are elected Secretary General of the United Nations. Today we are September 10, 2022, and we are grateful. But the problem is not the Tram. The problem is we people are suffering, and the woman, and you know, even if in each old nation there is a poverty. There is a government that doesn't give a job. The government doesn't give business. The government doesn't even if protect the woman and men and their family. So, as the elected Secretary General of the United Nations, we will continue to work, to fight. We are not going to get tired to fight, even if they deny us the office, but in New York. But everybody knows that. We people have a power, they are sovereign. We people make 175. One is the first, because we are the first elected Secretary General of the United Nations, elected through universal vote. We are the first Secretary General elected by we people around the world, from Tibet to Australia. And the 75 is Unga. It's Unga 75 General Assembly when they confirm us. So that is a proof. We don't have anything to say, many things to say, but we want to ensure we people that we are working. The Secretary General start with the heart, with the service, and with the competence we are invested for we people to get out from poverty, to have education, to have cash for all, freedom for all, justice for all, and job for all, health for all, economic prosperity for all. Thank you so much.
Voilà.